Clean Professionals here. We're here on the move out cleaning. There was just some construction done. These window sills, we're gonna get these window sills here. You can see there's scuff marks on the wall. The baseboards. Got some scuff marks here. The socket, it's dusty. Got all these window seals.
Excuse me, man. You everything, including everything, ¿verdad? Window, the cabinet, fitted out, the plastic, everything?
Yeah, I was gonna call to see if do you want to take it off? You want us to take the plastic off?
Yeah, everything they have, the window, everything.
All right.
They're gonna pay, no problem, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take your boss. Okay, everything, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, money.
No problem. As you see the window, the seals here. The tub. It's marking on the glass. Mirror, it's dusty. Get volume light. Some stuff on the floor. Appliances are new, so we don't have to do the appliances here. If someone got some water, we'll just wipe the fridge out here, but they're brand new. Wipe the outsides, of course. Cabinets, we're gonna take the plastic off. We want us to take these off. Clean out the sink. Here's out here. If they're cleaning on the appliances. And these window sills. I don't think we're gonna be able to bring a lot of this back to life because a lot of this is just paint, peeling, and discoloration. We're gonna do our best. Brand new no ovens. All right, yeah, looks like I gotta clean out the microwave. All right, stay tuned. On our final walkthrough here, as you see, we got the baseboards. That's actually chip paint here. Wholly up. A lot of these marks wouldn't come up here. Got the plastic off, cleaned out the sink.